Exercise 2.4. First, build the greatest 4-digit numbers using given digit without repeating the digit. Okay. Here it is the digits are there. We are not writing this one. Repeated this one. We are not writing again and again. So only one time it is a repeat. So which one is first? 9, 6, 0 and 1. What they are telling here? Greatest. So which is the greatest here? 9. Afterwards 6. Afterwards 1 and 0. So 9610 is greatest number in this number. B1, 4, 2, 9 and 7. So 9 is biggest and afterward little bit small 7, 4 and 2. So 9742. C1, 5, 8, 3 and 9. So 9 is greater. So afterwards little bit smaller 8 and 5 and 3, 9853. D1, 4, 8, 2 and 8. So 8, that is the greatest. Here it is they are repeating 2 times. Here it is a number is means we have to write down again. We are writing this one 4 and 4. We are not repeating this one. Okay. 4, this is 8, first greatest, afterwards it is 8 and 4 and 2, 8852. Second, build the smallest 4-digit number using the given digits without repeating the digit, smallest 4-digit. What they are telling? Smallest, we have to use this one digits and make a smallest. So 1, 3, 8, 4. So smallest is a 1. Afterwards, little bit big 3, 4 and 8. 1348. B1, 3, 5, 9 and 1. 1 is the smallest, little bit 3, 5 and 9. 1359. Here it is a C1, 0, 1, 8 and 2. So first we can't write on 0 because if we are writing 0, no value, that is a 128 like this. So we have to write down smallest first and afterwards we have to add the 0. So 1 is smallest, afterwards we are adding the 0, afterwards 8 and 8, 2 and 8, 1028. D1, 7, 4, 6 and 3. So 3 is the smallest, afterwards 4, 6 and 7, 3467. We are using this one 4 digit and making them this one smallest 4 digit and we are making this one the smallest number. Okay. Now third one, identify the set of digit using which the following pairs of greatest and smallest number are formed. Here it is greatest, this one 7321 and smallest is 1237. First what we have to see here, it is the digits are there or not. We have to set this one. We have to identify this one set. So here it is a 2, 3, 4 and 2. 4 is not there, so it is a not comes. It is a not set. This one setting this one and 2, 3, 7, 5. 5 is also not there, so here are making this is also not correct. And 1, 2, 3 and 7 it is there. 1, 2 here it is there. 1, 2, 3, 7 that is smallest. So it is a correct. So you have to circle this one and this is also last one is also wrong. That is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to set this one digits. Okay. Then identify this one digits. And this is what 8652 and 2562. Greatest and what they are telling? Here it is the greatest and smallest. They have formed these numbers, these digits, they are forming this one digit. They are making using the digits and make that one greatest and smallest digit. Okay. So we can here see 2, 8, 5, 6. So 8, now I am telling this one greatest. 8 is the greatest, afterwards 6, 5, 2. Yes, no? Then smallest 2, 5, 6, 8. So this is a correct and all it is wrong. So this is what third one and here it is what. See, catch your mistakes. The smallest 4-digit number formed using the digit 3052. They are given the 3052 is. So the smallest is, if it is coming 0, first you have to write down the smallest. Which is the smallest? That is a 2. 2 is first, afterwards it is we have to add, that is a 0. 2035. So 2035. 2035 is the smallest 4 digit. If you are adding first, this one is 0. After you are writing the smallest digit, then it is a 3 digit, that is a 335. We are forming the smallest 3 digit number. So here it is, they are telling the smallest 4 digits. So the first one is correct. Now fourth one, find the successor of each of the following number. Successor of each following. Successor means what? Successor means the number that comes just after. So what we are doing? We are adding 1. When we are adding 1, that is what? Successor. When we are adding 1, that is what? Successor. So the exercise part we are moving. This is a 3548. 3548 plus 1 means we are adding. Why? The successor. They told find the successor. So that is what? 3549. When we are adding 1, the just after 3548, just after what? 3549. So 3549. B1, 8902. 8902 plus 1. Plus 1 means that is a successor. So that is what? 8903. 8903, that is a successor. C1, 9346, and we are adding 1, that is a 9347, successor. 7286, that is the successor of, we are adding 1, so 7287. So E1, 2965, the successor is 2966, because we are adding 1, that is just after 1, that is so 2966. 6027, if we are adding 1, that is a 6028. 27, just we are adding 1, that is just after, that is a 6028. 5213, the successor is 5214. 8390, that is successor is 8391. 6992, the successor of 992, that is a 993. 3096, the successor is 3097. I want the method in FA1 exams, FA2 and SA1. So without writing, you are not writing the directly. You have to make a method and afterwards you have to write the answers. Okay. Now AK1, 5521, the successor is, we are adding 1. If you are adding 1 just after, so 5521 plus 1, that is a 5522. 1992, the successor is 1993. And the predecessors of each of the following number. Predecessors means what? Just before. So the number that comes just before a number, okay, the number is known as predecessors. We are making this one what? We are making the minus 1, that is what? That is what we are subtracting. Minus 1, that is what we are doing? Subtracting 1. If you are subtracting 1, that number is comes predecessors. Okay, 6758, we are minus subtract 1, that is 6757. 3752, we are subtracting 1, so what we are getting? The predecessors we are getting, that is 3751. 3299, what is the predecessor? That is a minus 1, so 3298. 1050 minus 1, we are subtracting 1, 1049. 8635, the predecessor is 8634 because we are subtracting 1. 2089, the predecessor is 2088. 7992, the predecessor is 7991. we are subtracting 1, so that we got 7991. 1000, what the predecessor, we are making a minus this one, we have to subtract 1, that is comes before, just before that number. So 1000, we are subtracting 1, we got what? 999. The predecessor is 999. The I1 1438, subtracting 1, so we are making subtract 1, and what we are getting? 7900. Wait, okay, here 1438, 1438 minus 1, we are making a subtract 1, so 1437. Now J1 1849, we have to subtract, because we are finding the predecessors. Find the predecessor they told, so we have to subtract 1. When we are they are asking the predecessors, we have to make a subtract 1, that is a minus 1. So what comes? 1849 minus 1, we got 1848. 3711, you subtract 1, that is answer 3710. 3333, if you are making this one minus subtract 1, we are getting answer 3332.